Welcome to the world of predictive analytics, a field that combines statistical algorithms and machine learning to forecast future outcomes. In today's data-driven society, organizations are constantly seeking ways to anticipate what's coming next. Predictive analytics offers a powerful solution by analyzing historical data and uncovering patterns that help us make informed predictions. Whether you're in business, healthcare, or even sports, understanding predictive analytics can give you a significant edge. In this video, we'll explore how predictive analytics works, its key components, and real-world applications. Let's begin our journey into the future of data-driven decision-making. Predictive analytics is all about using data to make educated guesses about what might happen in the future. It relies on statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze past data and identify trends or patterns. By doing so, it helps organizations anticipate outcomes, optimize processes, and make smarter decisions. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, equipment failures, or even market trends before they happen. That's the promise of predictive analytics. It's not magic, it's the science of turning data into actionable insights. The heart of predictive analytics lies historical data. This data serves as the foundation for building models that can forecast future events. By examining past behaviors, transactions, or occurrences, predictive analytics tools can spot patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, a retailer might analyze years of sales data to predict which products will be popular next season. The more comprehensive and accurate the historical data, the better the prediction. That's why data collection and management are so critical in this field. Statistical algorithms are the engines that drive predictive analytics. These mathematical formulas process large volumes of data to find relationships and trends. Common algorithms include regression analysis, decision trees, and clustering. Each serves a unique purpose, from predicting numerical values to grouping similar data points. By applying these algorithms, analysts can uncover hidden insights and make predictions with a certain level of confidence. Understanding these tools is essential for anyone looking to harness the power of predictive analytics. Machine learning takes predictive analytics to the next level. Unlike traditional statistical methods, machine learning algorithms can learn and improve over time as they process more data. This adaptability makes them especially powerful for complex or rapidly changing environments. For example, a machine learning model might analyze customer purchase histories to recommend new products, constantly refining its suggestions as it learns more. The synergy between machine learning and predictive analytics is transforming industries worldwide. Creating a predictive model involves several key steps. First, analysts gather and clean historical data, ensuring it's accurate and relevant. Next, they select the appropriate statistical or machine learning algorithm based on the problem at hand. The model is then trained on the data, learning to recognize patterns and make predictions. Finally, the model is tested and refined to improve its accuracy. This process is iterative, often requiring multiple rounds of adjustments before the model is ready for real-world use. Data preparation is a crucial step in predictive analytics. Raw data often contains errors, missing values, or inconsistencies that can skew results. Analysts spend significant time cleaning and transforming data to ensure it's suitable for modeling. This might involve removing duplicates, filling in gaps, or standardizing formats. Proper data preparation leads to more reliable models and ultimately more accurate predictions. It's a behind-the-scenes process that makes all the difference. Not all data points are equally important for making predictions. Feature selection is the process of identifying which variables have the most impact on the outcome. By focusing on the most relevant features, analysts can simplify models and improve their performance. Techniques like correlation analysis and principal component analysis help in selecting the right features. This step ensures that the predictive model is both efficient and effective. Training a predictive model means teaching it to recognize patterns in historical data. During this phase, the model processes input data and adjusts its internal parameters to minimize errors. The goal is to create a model that can accurately predict outcomes for new, unseen data. Training often involves splitting the data into training and validation sets to test the model's performance. This ensures the model isn't just memorizing the data, but truly learning from it. Once a model is trained, it's important to test its accuracy. This is done by running the model on a separate set of data that it hasn't seen before. Validation helps identify any weaknesses or biases in the model, allowing analysts to make necessary adjustments. The goal is to ensure the model performs well not just on historical data, but also on future real-world scenarios. Rigorous testing is key to building trust in predictive analytics. After thorough testing, predictive models are deployed in real-world environments. This means integrating the model into business processes or systems where it can provide ongoing predictions. For example, a bank might use a predictive model to assess loan risk, while a retailer uses it to forecast inventory needs. Deployment is where predictive analytics starts delivering tangible value, helping organizations make proactive decisions based on data-driven insight. Predictive analytics doesn't stop once a model is deployed. Continuous improvement is essential to maintain accuracy as new data becomes available. Analysts regularly monitor model performance and retrain it with fresh data to adapt to changing conditions. This ongoing process ensures that predictions remain relevant and reliable over time. In fast-moving industries, the ability to quickly update models is a major competitive advantage. Predictive analytics is transforming the business world. Companies use it to forecast sales, optimize marketing campaigns, and manage supply chains. By anticipating customer needs and market trends, businesses can make smarter investments and reduce risks. For example, predictive analytics can help identify which customers are likely to churn, allowing companies to take action before it's too late. The possibilities are nearly endless, making predictive analytics a must-have tool for modern organizations. Healthcare predictive analytics is saving lives. Hospitals use it to predict patient outcomes, manage resources, and even prevent diseases. By analyzing patient histories and medical records, predictive models can identify those at risk of complications, enabling early intervention. This not only improves patient care but also reduces costs and streamlines operations. Predictive analytics is becoming an essential part of modern healthcare systems worldwide. Finance industry relies heavily on predictive analytics for risk management and fraud detection. Banks and financial institutions use predictive models to assess credit risk, detect unusual transactions, and forecast market movements. By analyzing transaction histories and market data, these models help protect assets and ensure regulatory compliance. Predictive analytics is a cornerstone of modern finance, providing the insights needed to make informed decisions in a complex environment. Retailers are using predictive analytics to better understand their customers and personalize experiences. By analyzing purchase histories, browsing behavior, and demographic data, predictive models can recommend products, optimize pricing, and forecast demand. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. In a competitive market, the ability to anticipate customer needs is a game changer for retailers of all sizes. Manufacturers use predictive analytics to optimize production and prevent equipment failures. By monitoring machine data and maintenance logs, predictive models can forecast when a machine is likely to break down, allowing for proactive repairs. This reduces downtime, saves money, and keeps operations running smoothly. Predictive analytics is helping manufacturers move from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies. Supply chains are complex, but predictive analytics makes them more manageable. By analyzing data from suppliers, shipments, and inventory, predictive models can forecast demand, identify bottlenecks, and optimize logistics. This leads to more efficient operations and lower costs. Companies can respond faster to changes in demand or disruptions, ensuring products reach customers on time. Marketing teams use predictive analytics to design more effective campaigns. By analyzing customer data and past campaign results, predictive models can identify which messages are most likely to resonate with different audiences. This enables marketers to target the right people with the right offers at the right time, maximizing return on investment. Predictive analytics takes the guesswork out of marketing, leading to better results. Fraud detection is a critical application of predictive analytics. By analyzing transaction patterns and identifying anomalies, predictive models can flag suspicious activities in real time. This helps organizations prevent financial losses and protect customers. Machine learning algorithms are especially effective at detecting new types of fraud as they evolve, making predictive analytics an essential tool for security. Predictive analytics helps businesses identify customers who are at risk of leaving, known as churn. By analyzing customer behavior, purchase history, and engagement levels, predictive models can flag those likely to churn. This allows companies to take proactive steps such as offering incentives or personalized support to retain valuable customers. Reducing churn is vital for long-term business success. Sales forecasting is one of the most common uses of predictive analytics. By analyzing past sales data, market trends, and external factors, predictive models can estimate future sales with impressive accuracy. This helps businesses plan inventory, allocate resources, and set realistic targets. Accurate sales forecasts are essential for growth and profitability. Ever wonder how streaming services or online stores know exactly what you might like next? That's predictive analytics at work. By analyzing your past behavior and preferences, predictive models can suggest movies, products, or content tailored just for you. This personalization enhances user experience and drives engagement, making predictive analytics a key player in the digital world. Predictive analytics is helping energy companies forecast demand, optimize grid operations, and prevent outages. By analyzing weather patterns, usage data, and equipment status, predictive models can anticipate spikes in demand or potential failures. This leads to more reliable service and efficient energy use, benefiting both providers and consumers. In transportation, predictive analytics is used to optimize routes, manage fleets, and reduce delays. By analyzing traffic patterns, weather, and vehicle data, predictive models can suggest the best routes and anticipate potential issues. This leads to faster deliveries, lower costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Predictive analytics is driving the future of smart transportation. Sports teams are leveraging predictive analytics to gain a competitive edge. By analyzing player statistics, game footage, and training data, predictive models can forecast performance, prevent injuries, and develop winning strategies. Coaches and managers use these insights to make data-driven decisions, from player selection to in-game tactics. Predictive analytics is changing the game both on and off the field. Educational institutions are using predictive analytics to improve student outcomes. By analyzing academic records, attendance, and engagement data, predictive models can identify students at risk of falling behind. This enables early intervention and personalized support, helping more students succeed. Predictive analytics is making education more effective and inclusive. Governments are adopting predictive analytics to improve public services and policy decisions. By analyzing data from various sources, predictive models can forecast crime rates, allocate resources, and plan infrastructure projects. This leads to more efficient governance and better outcomes for citizens. Predictive analytics is becoming a vital tool for modern public administration. Despite its many benefits, predictive analytics comes with challenges. Data quality, privacy concerns, and algorithm bias can all impact results. Ensuring data is accurate and representative is crucial for building reliable models. Organizations must also address ethical considerations, such as how predictions are used and who has access to sensitive information. Overcoming these challenges is essential for responsible and effective predictive analytics. Ethics and privacy are major considerations in predictive analytics. Organizations must handle data responsibly, ensuring that personal information is protected and used appropriately. Transparency about how predictions are made and how data is used builds trust with customers and stakeholders. Ethical predictive analytics balances innovation with respect for individual rights. Bias can creep into predictive models if the data used to train them isn't representative or contains historical prejudices. This can lead to unfair or inaccurate predictions. It's important for analysts to regularly review models for signs of bias and take steps to correct them. Diverse data sources and ongoing monitoring help ensure that predictive analytics serves everyone fairly. Future of predictive analytics is bright. Advances in artificial intelligence, big data, and cloud computing are making predictive models more powerful and accessible than ever before. As technology evolves, predictive analytics will become even more integrated into our daily lives, helping us make smarter decisions in business, healthcare, and beyond. Staying ahead of these trends is key for organizations looking to thrive in a data-driven world. Artificial intelligence and predictive analytics are closely linked. AI enhances predictive models by enabling them to process larger datasets and learn more complex patterns. This synergy leads to more accurate and insightful predictions. As AI technology continues to advance, predictive analytics will become even more powerful, opening up new possibilities across industries. Cloud computing is revolutionizing predictive analytics by providing scalable storage and processing power. Organizations can now analyze massive datasets without investing in expensive hardware. Cloud-based predictive analytics platforms make it easier for businesses of all sizes to access advanced tools and collaborate in real time. This democratization of technology is accelerating innovation across industries. Big data is fueling the growth of predictive analytics. With more data available than ever before, predictive models can uncover deeper insights and make more accurate forecasts. The challenge lies in managing and analyzing these vast datasets efficiently. Advanced analytics tools and techniques are essential for turning big data into actionable predictions. Real-time predictive analytics allows organizations to make decisions instantly as new data comes in. This is especially valuable in fast-paced industries like finance, retail, and transportation. By processing data in real time, predictive models can respond to changing conditions and provide up-to-the-minute insights. This agility is a major advantage in today's dynamic world. Modern predictive analytics tools are designed to be user-friendly, making advanced analytics accessible to non-experts. Intuitive interfaces, drag-and-drop features, and automated workflows enable more people to build and deploy predictive models. This democratization of analytics empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions at every level. Visualization tools play a key role in predictive analytics by turning complex data into easy-to-understand charts and graphs. Clear visualizations help stakeholders grasp insights quickly and make informed decisions. Effective reporting ensures that predictions are communicated clearly and actionable steps are taken. Visualization bridges the gap between data science and business strategy. Predictive analytics thrives on collaboration. Data scientists, business analysts, and IT professionals work together to build and deploy models. Cross-functional teams ensure that predictive analytics aligns with organizational goals and delivers real value. Effective collaboration leads to better models, smoother implementation, and greater impact. As predictive analytics becomes more widespread, training and education are essential. Organizations invest in upskilling employees to understand and use predictive tools effectively. Online courses, workshops, and certifications help professionals stay current with the latest techniques. A well-trained workforce is key to unlocking the full potential of predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is not one-size-fits-all. Different industries have unique challenges and data types requiring tailored solutions. From healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing, predictive models are customized to address specific needs. Industry-specific analytics ensures that predictions are relevant and actionable, driving better outcomes across sectors. Scalability is a key advantage of modern predictive analytics platforms. As organizations grow, their data needs expand. Scalable solutions can handle increasing volumes of data and more complex models without sacrificing performance. Flexibility ensures that predictive analytics can adapt to new business requirements and technologies, supporting long-term success. Investing in predictive analytics requires careful consideration of costs and expected returns. While advanced analytics tools can be expensive, the potential benefits, such as increased efficiency, reduced risk, and higher revenues, often outweigh the costs. Organizations should evaluate the return on investment to ensure predictive analytics aligns with their strategic goals. For organizations new to predictive analytics, starting small is often the best approach. Begin with a pilot project focused on a specific business problem. Gather relevant data, choose the right tools, and involve stakeholders from the start. As you gain experience and see results, you can expand predictive analytics to other areas. The journey begins with a single step. Predictive analytics is revolutionizing how organizations make decisions. By leveraging historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning, businesses can forecast future outcomes and gain a competitive edge. From healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing, predictive analytics is driving innovation and efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, the potential of predictive analytics will only grow. Embracing this powerful tool is essential for success in the modern world.